In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art by using a transparent material. Let's create a UV sphere. I'll use braid knots. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Please match my settings. I scaled the knots by typing S and Z. Shift D to duplicate, and R to rotate. We need to locate the best angle to render. I'll adjust the camera's focal length, and zoom into the camera like this. I think we need more than 2 mm for the focal length. I'll create a background sphere to block all lights. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Here are the full nodes for the primary knot mesh. I'm using cycles with 32 samples. For the outer knot, I'll use the same material, make it unique, and apply different colors. Please feel free to experiment with different color combinations. I'll create an empty object, and use that as camera's depth of field object. I'll move the empty object closer to the camera. I'll change the primary knot's color combination. Here are the denoise nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.